Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl if you're new to this, and I'm just starting out my YouTube channel to create all the inspired makeup tutorial. And today we're doing the Foxy eye trend. I've seen so many creators creating their own versions of Foxy eye and they are so gorgeous. So I thought it would be fun for me to create my own versions of the Foxy eye look, and I've learned some tricks and tips from the TikTok video. So I hope these tricks and tips can help you girls to create your own Foxy eye look. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with my makeup base. I'm using Stuart Tinted Contour Base. On to my favorite Dior Backstage Face and Body foundations. I'm just gonna mix a little bit with my Becca Shimmering Perfector just to give a little bit glow to the face. Today we're going for a little bit more natural foxy eye look, so I don't want my foundations to be really thick. I want it to be like really natural and has a little bit glow onto the face. Just tap all your foundations and then buff it up. Alright, I moved on to the eyebrow first. For the concealer, we will just do it later to accentuate the whole foxy eye look and also to clean up the edges of it. I'm just gonna go with a natural eyebrow. Here I'm using the same trick that I have actually go through with you guys in my previous video. You can check out my dewy skin tutorial to see how I frame my eyebrow. I'm using Naked Tree palette, and the first color I'm gonna go in is this light color. Just gonna draw a little bit of line. I'm using Urban Decay brush. This is like super light nude color, but I just want to build up the base and slowly build up the color. If that makes sense to you guys. Going into this darker brown shade. And then I'm slowly add on the color to the center of my eyes. It's very, very light, softly worn out. To just build in a little bit more, I'm going into this darker brown. Create a natural foxy eye look. You have to like put just a little bit of product, slowly build it up so it will look more natural. Always have a clean brush to brush it over all the harsh line. I'm gonna use a little bit of the leftover here, and then I'm gonna drag it all over to the inner corner to have that crease line that I want. And I'm just going back to my clean brush and then to smudge it out so that it won't have the harsh line. I'm just gonna go all the way from the top of your nose and to the brow here. Now we're gonna do a little bit of the cut crease. I'm gonna use my concealer, just apply a little bit on my hand, and we're gonna go in with this flat angle brush, going in here. Going back to my clean brush, going back to this light color, and I'm just gonna lightly touch up a little bit here to make the crease a little bit more defined. Back to this color, and I'm just gonna start to draw inner corner and following your eye shape. This is how you're gonna draw your inner corner. To give that more definitions to the foxy eye look, I'm just gonna add my eyeliner. going back to this darker brown, and I'm just gonna touch up a little bit here to give that a little bit more dimension. Our eyes are done. We're gonna go to concealer naked skin. I'm just gonna place it over here and just a little bit here. So this is the recent trick that I have learned from TikTok. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this. Clean up my eyes to accentuate that foxy eyes. You see like the difference once you clean up this, your eyes look snatched. Alright, time to sculpt the face. I'm using back my favorite Fenty Beauty. Just gonna start in the middle of my cheeks and going up, because you want to accentuate your foxy eye. Everything go up so that your face look lifted. To help you to position with the bronzing, you can always lift up and just follow that line up. We're gonna skip this part, the temple. We're just gonna go straight to our forehead over here. I'm going in with a smaller flat brush just to contour my nose. I'm gonna bake my face using MAC Pro HT powder just to accentuate the foxy eye look. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use my beauty blender sponge and tap on the powder. Now we're just gonna let it sit for a while. In the meantime, we're just gonna go ahead with the blushes. Just gonna mix the color again. Remember to always go up at the cheekbones area. Going into my forehead using the leftover. Using Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, I am just to add the highlight at the higher cheekbone. You have to swipe everything up to accentuate that look. Now that the baking is done, I'm just gonna swipe it off. You see like the difference? It really sculpts your face with the baking. Alright, I think you should know by now that I don't use false lashes. Just gonna curl my lashes and put on mascara. So when I'm doing like mascara, I'm trying to like fan out my lashes, and then I'm trying to fan them over to like this side to kind of help me to create that foxy eye look. Once my lashes is dried out, I'm cutting my lashes at the roots. I'm just going up a little bit and cut one more time just to create that natural curve. But I'm going back to my mascara just to touch the top of it. Without false lashes, you can also kind of create that with your mascara with the trick that I just showed you guys. So this is how I do my foxy eyes look. And last but not least, we're gonna go to the lip. For the lips, I am gonna be using Kylie Cosmetic. I've got these two beautiful colors, and I'm just gonna go with this a little bit light pink color first. And then I'm gonna go to this color. This is called Expose. I'm just gonna put this color at the inner here. Last but not least, we're gonna put on setting spray from Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright, we're done with the makeup, and you can just leave it like that with your head down, and it also gives you that foxy eye look. But of course, if you want to like accentuate your face and that foxy eye look a little bit more, we can do something with our hair, which I've just learned it from TikTok. There's this trick that you can kind of like pull your eyes up to accentuate the eyes a little bit more. So we're gonna do that today. First, I am just gonna grab a few pieces of my hair up here. I'm just gonna not touching this area. You kind of pull your hair over here. You see the difference? And then you're just gonna go over here. Make it really tight, and then you can just put your hand down like this. Inside here has kind of like lifted up your face, then you just cover with your hair. So this is the final look of the foxy eye trend that everyone is creating right now, and I'm really loving it on myself. And I really love the hair trick that just a little bit of pull back that can make your eyes lifted. And I'm always so amazed by how much all these little tricks, the makeup tricks and hair tricks thing, can change so much of your look. I hope these tricks will help you guys to create your own foxy eye look. And also, I just want to let you girls know that you don't need the exact same makeup products that I'm using or other creators are using to create that foxy eye look or other makeup looks, because you can be creative using all your makeup products. You don't have to spend lots of money to buy every single different kind of makeup and products to create the kind of makeup that the creators are creating. We are all in a lockdown. I feel like this is the time for us to kind of sit down and, you know, like just play with what we have and just be creative, you know, to try and practice different kind of trends, different kind of tricks, you know. This can really help us to build up our day. I love doing this is because it makes my day so much better. When I know that I learned some new tricks, I like to do it, I like to practice it, and then to show you guys how you can do it too. And the main purpose of doing the makeup tutorial is, you can see from my past video, I don't use a lot of new different makeup products. I always repeat all my makeup products because I just want to show you girls that you can use the same makeup products to create kind of different kind of looks. And yeah, I hope you guys can enjoy this makeup tutorial, and I am loving this look, and I hope you guys can try it at home by yourself using all the products you have, and let me know how it turns out for you guys. Also, please do give me suggestions on how you want to see me on doing other makeup tutorials and any other makeup trends that you're seeing, you want to see how it's gonna turn out to be. Please let me know in the comment sections below. I'll be really grateful to hear from you guys. I'll definitely check it out. And of course, if you want to hang out with me, I do post on Instagram daily, so if you want to know a little bit more intimate of my life, you can definitely check out my Instagram. Say hi to me. If you're coming from my YouTube channel, I will be so happy to hear from you guys. I hope you guys can stay safe and stay healthy. I hope this video can bring some light and make your day a little bit better. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.